AUE oficialmente afirma acuerdo de construcción entre Compañía de Construcción Internacional y Soja, que é a fundación que lo construí y mantiene edificio nuevo de hospital. Este proyecto de más grande en Aruba para el siguiente año. Un momento histórico a tu lugar, AUE.
Trata de uma inversão de 252,7 milhões de florins, uma construção de 4 anos largo, um financiamento de 29 anos total. Esse inclui 4 anos de construção e depois 25 anos de operação e manutenção.
We are very happy that we were able as a bank institution to engage 18 financial institutions in the region, Aruba and international, to participate and show their trust in this interesting large projects. We are pleased that they have showed their trust in Aruba as well, and we thank also all the stakeholders that have on the table here, the architect, the contractor, primarily the government of Aruba that have entrusted SOGA with this large project, and also the hospital for being the player also, the operator, and provided also their requirement.
O projeto tem será hobby trabalho para próprio contratista na local também, para sobretudo trabalho pisano se refere já aqui, de promete 2 anos lo construir edifício novo, mientras que de último 2 anos lo renovar o edifício existente.
Our partner in this exciting project has been selected after a rigorous evaluation process, starting with 23 companies and ending with 2 contractors who really qualified. There were really 3, but 1 fell out. 1 withdrew. I must admit that the bid that we received were all much higher than we had expected. But the selected contractor was the best, and we jointly agreed, let's negotiate, let's see how far we can come. And I'm pleased that after much blood, sweat, tears, and turning arms, we reached the price which was not only close to our budget for the contractor, but it was really slightly lower than our budget for the contractor.
Para o hospital não necessariamente a ampliação de edifício não significa mais câmara, ao contrário, na final tem menos câmara com a WAR, mas sim mais serviço. Essa é a direção nova de cuidado.
You see a shift towards shorter stays. The quicker the patient goes home, the better it is, usually. We see a reduction in length of stay in the hospital, which is good for the patient, but also good for us. The best hospital is the one you don't use. From a patient perspective, obviously, not from an investor's perspective. And I'm very pleased to notice that about half of the patient visits that we get are day surgery and other one-day treatments already, when you compare that to regular admissions. That's a very good development. But it also requires a different approach in the hospital. We don't need as many beds, and we need other facilities. We need diagnostics facilities, we need exam rooms, we need better facilities for ambulatory care, for outpatient clinics, polyklinieken, or oficinas, as we say here. That's where we need to place the effort. That's why it's a very good feature that we have a new medical office building where the outside clinics will be specialized. I think that's very good.
Na tour, total de 18 institutos financieros participaram e na suma total aqui. De candidato aí, 18 institutos financieros está de Aruba, que agora tem uma boa oportunidade para investir em 100 e ganhar melhor interesse. Amita Patrick Pascal, para ATV, Canal G5.
A diferença de financiamento aqui está que a AIB Bank encabeça o grupo de instituto não financeiro que chega na suma total que vai para Soja, a fundação que está encarregada com construção e manutenção de edifício para 29 anos largo. Esse é que o hospital não mestre manter edifício mais para sobre dicho suma está incluído em o huur que não lo paga Soja mensualmente.